Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Carpuride infotainment system for your car. This is a system you can add to any car to basically turn it into a really awesome smart car. It supports Android Auto and Apple Carplay wireless connection, which is super cool. It does have, they come in 9-inch as well as 7-inch models. This particular one is a 9-inch, but they have both. It's an IPS touchscreen, 1080p. Really cool. Here are some of the features. You can link your phone, you can transmit to your radio, or you can plug into an auxiliary jack. It's HD 1080p. It has a place for an SD card slot if you want to put more music or something on there, as well as USB. You can control through voice by connecting Siri or Android Auto, whatever, and then you also can connect a rear view camera to it if you want to. But as you can see, it's meant to go on your dash, so it doesn't go in your dash. You don't have to worry about installing anything. It sits on your dash and gives you all those capabilities. So let's take a quick look at what comes in the box. And there's the star of the show right there. So we'll take a look at that first. And you will see, there we go. There it is. And you can see the Carpuride logo there. And this is the screen. This is a full IPS 1080p touch screen for use with it. And yeah, you can see on the back here, first let's look here. This is where your stand's going to connect, and we'll take a look at that in a minute. And then over here on the side is where you have all your different inputs and outputs. I'm going to turn it over so that it is the right, there we go, so you can actually hopefully read that stuff a little bit. This is the DC in, so that's where the power is going to go. This is where you can connect a USB stick. This is your AV out, so this is the audio out to plug into an auxiliary port. Cam in, that's where you plug in the camera if you're using this with a backup camera. Trans/flash card can go right there. And then if you want to add an additional external mic, then you can add an external mic to get better pickup of microphone sounds, which is cool. And then you have your power button here on the bottom. And yeah. So this does have a protective screen over it. Let's lift that up, but right now I'm just going to leave that on there until I get it installed. But that's the unit itself, and you can see it's very thin. Doesn't take up a whole lot of space. Isn't going to be too thick, not too heavy, which is great. Let's look at what else comes in the box. Here you've got your power supply. This is what will plug into your car power port, also known as a cigarette lighter, in order to give it power right there. And then you have your sticky/suction attachment. So you can see that bracket will fit on the back of that there. So if you want to attach this to a window, and then you can turn this, and then that pulls out to get it to a good location for you and your car. So that's one way that you can mount it. And then here is a second way to mount it. Here you have a bracket here. And I believe if you loosen the screw, you can turn this to face either direction. But you have a sticky pad that it sticks to and a base there. So that is another way that you can mount it onto your dash using that. So they do provide both ways. You do also have this auxiliary cord to plug into your auxiliary port on your car. If you don't already have a cord, you have a cord provided there. And then you also have a bracket here with the traditional ball connector that you could use to connect to another type of, if you already have a car mount in your car that you use for a phone or something, you could probably attach this to that to mount it that way. So they provide all the different ways of mounting. And then the only other thing that's in the box is the manual. And pretty big manual, because this is capable of doing so many different things. So they provide all the instructions you need to know how to get it all set up and use it correctly with Android Auto or CarPlay and all those different things. So you get the instruction manual. So anyway, this is everything that comes in the box. You get the infotainment system, you get the couple of mounting options, and then you get the way to power it. And yeah, that's everything that comes in the box. That is going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All the ways are down there. Don't forget to favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews, especially because I'll be doing a full demo and review video of this in action pretty soon. So you'll want to stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.